Hello everybody, and how have you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel Tech World, and we're back with another brand new video. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can redeem your Roblox gift card. So it's pretty simple, so follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel Tech World, then don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification turned on to get notified for a future video, and let's move on. So the first step is you want to go to Roblox. Once a source for Roblox on your browser, you want to click on Robloxcom. Once you click on Robloxcom, it's going to take you to the official website of Roblox, and at first it's going to ask you to log in into your Roblox account. So you need to log in into Roblox account. After you log in into Roblox account, it's going to bring it to this page over here. Alright. Those people who do not know what Roblox is a game, and by redeeming the Roblox gift card you're gonna get what that gift card holds. If it says Roblox the native kind of Roblox, then you're going to get like Robux, and to Robux you can buy many in-game items of Roblox, alright, and if it is of a character once redeemed, that you're going to get the new character on your Roblox. So it depends on which type of gift card you're redeeming, alright, but to the steps all the type of gift card could be redeemed in Roblox, alright, so don't worry about it. So follow the step. Once you're over here and you log in into your account, need to click on this tree line at the top left side of your screen. Once you're over here, there's going to be this section called gift cards. You want to click on gift cards, and it's going to take you to this page over here. What you want to do is click on redeem card. Now if you want to buy a card, you can click on shop gift card, and if you want to redeem it, click on redeem card. We want to redeem it, that's why we have to click on redeem. Once up here where it says code on the back side of your Robux gift card, there's going to be a bunch of numbers. Right now you need to scratch the card in order to see that number, so scratch your card. See that number 1, see the code over here, need to type the code over here, and according to like the capital 1 should be in capital, the smaller letters should be in smaller. Make sure you copy the exact code you have given in on your gift card. Once you do that, click on redeem, and if the code entered over here is correct, your Roblox gift card should be redeemed, alright, but since I don't have Roblox gift card, it says in a valid code, make sure to enter correct code and it should be redeemed, alright, so that's how we guys can do it. That's how we guys can redeem your Roblox gift card. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel Tech World. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye bye.